present a proclamation recognizing July 26th through August 2nd, 2025 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. I have a proclamation to read. Whereas Glynn County, Georgia was founded in 1777, and whereas at its founding, native Gullah Geechee were here in this coastal region and throughout our state, and whereas the Gullah Geechee have been essential to the cultural fabric of our community, and whereas as a result we have celebrated their contributions by actively being a part of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week since 2015, and whereas 2025 marks St. Helena Island's own Chieftess Queen Quet's 25th anniversary as head pun abode of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Quet has led the movement to protect Gullah Geechee culture, human rights, Land Coalition, and whereas Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition was the first organization in world history to have Gullah Geechee in its name, whereas Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition continues to forward the mission of the Gullah Geechee Nation, whereas this is the 25th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation, now therefore be it proclaimed this 26th day of August, this 26th day of July through August 2nd, 2025 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Glynn County, and call upon all of our citizens to participate in celebrating this week in support of activities happening locally and throughout the region under the theme of 25 years of self-determination, celebrating the roots and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation. In witness thereof, I set my hand the 17th day of July, 2025. Queen, would you come up? How are you? Good, good, good. Well, thank you. You lose a little weight, other than that, we're probably good.
You're feeding good down here.
Oh, yeah. Few things you get to enjoy anymore, right?
Oh, that's right.
Here is your proclamation.
I appreciate it. Can I say a few
Yes,
words?
ma'am, you may. You may. I'm going to stand right here, right with you.
Peace and blessings, Glynn County. How are the children to do this evening? They ain't there for nothing this evening.
Y'all got to do it.
Well, good evening. Okay, because that better leave it trifling the snow, ain't it? Okay then. Gotta do better than that. He ain't down for all the food by itself. Y'all weekend. Y'all need to leave dinner overstand that. So I'm glad to be here this evening. Come all the way from St. Helena Island one more again to this show. To this show, please. To this show. Golden hours, as some of the children call them. To be here one more again. In 25 years, we done paid homage to the Igbos, Ray Cross from St. Simon. We done did it with people like we family will come from South Pole this evening. Brother Jazz Watts there with me and things like that. And we done been on Lazaretta Creek and all up in Trudish area. Red was right here in Brunswick, where we got the key to this city. So it's a blessing to do this show for 25 years. But a greater blessing to know 100 children been to celebrate with we for 10 years. So thank you to this show commission. But as we say in church, think of not robbery. For honor, this your culture and thing like that, and we legacy was still upon on young Glynn County. And I'm so glad that Brother Jazz did, God sent in this evening, because our representative Anita Collins and our other representatives that lied, they couldn't be here this evening, but they said, we're sending the brother from Stockholm. We're sending Brother Jazz. And I said, how awesome, because I just watched him on a video yesterday. I said, so you're here tonight. It's good to see you in person. Because I intended to say, one of our treasures in the Gullah Geechee Nation, many of them exist in your golden eyes. And one of them that we especially know the world knows about is Stockholm. And so we want to make sure that the Gullah Geechee communities that are still there are able to retain the land, retain the cultural community and legacy that people have talked about for eons. Before I ever even came to Glynn County the first time, I knew where Stockholm was. And so it's critical that we celebrate culture, but it's more important to be able to continue it. And we definitely need our land to do that. And so Brunswick is the city in which they formed the first commission to actually hold on to Gullah Geechee culture in the township. So it was a blessing to know when the county said, we want to start celebrating with you the culture. So I thank you, Chairman, and I thank this commission for doing this on our 25th anniversary. And I also want to just thank the rest of this Georgia coast, because Liberty County did theirs last night. Chatham County did theirs, and I got a key to Chatham County. That's the first for a county to give a key. All right, and so y'all got them almost covered. Y'all got to get on Chatham County, don't you? I know what to do. Okay, but it's definitely a blessing to have this entire Georgia coast celebrating with us, and we're celebrating throughout the entire Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville to Jacksonville. I left some of the flyers in the back. We got agendas for anybody here, because next Saturday, from my home island to Delaware Island and South Kakalaki, ain't but 2 hours from you. Y'all can come on northward and get some good things for Nampun. Join him. Get some good things for Nampun. And things like that at the drum going sound at noon at the historic Penn Center. So we will be there with Gullah Geechee Family Day. So all of the family, we expect to come from throughout the nation. And y'all always been family to me here at Brunswick. So on behalf of we representatives and the rest of the Gullah Geechee Nation leaders, we say thank you, and God bless on the children. We look to see you in the celebrations. And commissioners, y'all ain't got no excuses. Y'all got your personal invitations or y'all dance the sound. So I look to see all of y'all. If he get there before you, he might not leave your plate. So y'all better come together.